The Presidential Commission of Inquiry to investigate and inquire into serious acts of fraud, corruption and abuse of power, state resources and privileges today rejected the objections raised by the lawyers of former President Mahinda Rajapaksa. Former President Rajapaksa was summoned before the Presidential Commission of Inquiry once again today. A group including Minister Susil Premajayanta, former Presidential Secretary Lalit Veeratunga, former Secretary of Ministry of Mass Media Charita Herath were present before the Commission today to provide evidence.
Evidence was recorded by the Presidential Commission of Inquiry today at the BMICH for the second consecutive day. A situation was reported when police officers refused to allow Western Provincial Councillor Upali Kodikara to enter the floor in which the Commission was recording evidence. Today, the Commission recorded evidence over the non-payment of 60 million rupees due to the independent television network for political advertisements aired during the presidential election. Several MPs were also present today. Objections were raised that High Court judges cannot be involved in the Commission, and since Maithripala Sirisena is involved as the grouped party, objections were raised over a commission appointed by him also reporting to him. It is like he is making the appointment and he himself is hearing the case. The objections were rejected. We will keep our rights when moving to the Court of Appeal. However, you will not air this. You do not air the statements. I made a statement yesterday. However, it was not aired. There is media censorship. So under that, if I make a statement, you will not air it. So if I do not make a statement, it will make matters easier for you. What happened during our time? We were called and spoken to. You criticized us. There is no need to mention any names here, but I can show some by directing my eyes to the mics that have been held here. Have we spoken against that? We have never spoken against that. We have not told you to put this and that or given you the headlines. The freedom that existed back then is no more. There is no freedom of speech. They can do whatever they want, and whatever we say is never published. Certain companies have provided advertisements. If there is any payment that is due, it should be obtained from those companies. The party has not made any payment. The advance payment was made by the various sponsors. They provide the funds and the committee gather the funds and they make the payments. They will identify them after gathering evidence. In my statement, I said that we have a committee. Dalasala Prima was in the media committee. However, there was a large group with him. No, I'm not disappointed. I'm carrying out the task vested with me.